Today we are at the world's largest McDonald's in Orlando, Florida. Games. Hotel, they have this here too. Oh, you didn't see that at the hotel. Just be careful.
Guys, like up here. Way too big.
Yeah. I think it says ages 12 to 12.
Hey guys, accidentally shut off the thing, so I'm straight, but it's time for us to go up here. Okay, so as you see, it's pretty huge. No, but like pretty ugly. Okay, guys. I said tired. I meant tired. Tired, guys. Oh my god. Keep going. Guys, where should I go? Okay, guys. We can't go up by that way, guys. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Oh my god. Okay guys. Jesus.
Wait, who's Huggy Buggy? Who's Huggy Buggy? It has 4 and there's no one Huggy Buggy. Who's Huggy Buggy though? You can't touch him. You can't touch him. But I'm Huggy Buggy.
Wait.
Wait, Huggy Buggy.
Hey guys, ignore that. I'm playing Huggy Wuggy for some reason. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. But sometimes you might get hurt. me back where I usually was. Okay. It's my mom right there. Hold up, guys. Guys, let's go.
Where do we go?
Guys, let's go over here. Guys, look at this view. Oh my god. Might be blurry, but the best I can get. Let's go down. Sorry for the noises. I think I kind of got myself stuck. Oops, yeah. No, I didn't get myself stuck. Okay, guys. Let's go over here. If I can. Okay, guys. I moved. I didn't get myself stuck, guys. Funny. I bet you're not. You guys might think, oh, this is easier. But you don't know that it's actually not that easy to move around. It's actually kind of hard. Oh my god. Just on my toe. Oh Jesus. Ignore my mom, please. She just doesn't know that I'm still recording. Okay, guys. Time for another one. Oh my god, my mom. Okay, guys, just keep on going with this field trip. Okay, guys, go. Ready, guys? We're gonna go down another tunnel. If I can get to it. Come on, guys, let's go. Ow. God, I stubbed my toe again. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Ready? I'm gonna go down. Come on, I'm going to slide. Possible. Oh my god. Hi. It's my mom.
Thanks for watching Lima Bean TV. Make sure to check out one of these two videos and don't forget to subscribe.